Hi guys! So in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to master Parivrtta Trikonasana, revolved triangle. First things first, we need to have open hamstrings, and so your pyramid pose is going to offer you exactly that, an option to lengthen through the hamstrings. Concentrate on squaring off your shoulders here. You're more than welcome to keep your hands on your hips, place the hands on some blocks, or even lower them down onto the ground, depending on your current condition. Remember that revolved triangle pose is a posture that it's improving circulation around the lower back, your abdomen, as well as the pelvic region. The next pose that I believe is going to be quite helpful for you, again, is tackling the hamstrings. So half splits, Ardha Hanumanasana, is going to allow you to do exactly that. Make sure that with the extended leg that you're curling your toes backwards, and this is going to intensify that stretch. Uttanasana, your standing forward fold, is also supporting and elongating the soft connective tissue around the hamstrings. Start by bending the knees to begin with. Concentrate on keeping the chest firmly on your thighs, and then gently draw the chest down towards the shins. It's important that we work with our breath, so as you lengthen the spine a tiny bit, you feel that breath come in, and then as you take that deeper forward fold, you breathe out and go a little deeper. The same breath technique can be applied in a seated forward fold variation, PASCHIMOTTANASANA. In this demo, I am with my legs extended, but you're more than welcome to bend the knees if that's where you need to be today. Keep the elbows pulling out to the side, and with each exhale breath, you lower the chest down across your extended legs. So the next pose is the triangle pose, the sister pose of the one that we're studying today. Lower the right hand down onto the shin, a block, or the ground, and really think about lengthening through the inner thigh as well as the side body here. Stabilize yourself by pressing down into the edge of the back foot. This is going to be very important for revolved triangle. The next pose is a wide forward fold with a twist. So you can lower that bottom hand onto the yoga mat or a block, whatever suits your particular condition in this present moment. Make sure you spend equal time on the right and the left side and just enjoy that beautiful twist. Matsyyendrasana is also a different variation that pretty much allows us to work on that rotation of your spine in the central axis. I've got another how-to tutorial on how to master Lord of the Fishes pose, so feel free to check that out if you're still working on this variation, guys. When it comes to your revolved triangle pose, which we're about to look at next, it's really important that your back heel is at a 45-degree angle. Make sure that you reach that top arm as far as you can, and then lowering that hand outside of the front foot on a yoga block or on the ground. Once you feel stabilized, then you can reach the opposite arm all the way up. Remember to draw up through your thigh muscles and firm your outer hips towards one another. Most importantly, keep your legs straight. So if you need to use a block, go ahead and place your hand on a yoga block, my friends. Enjoy the tutorial, guys. Namaste.